close now. Is it fouled? I got a wind knot. Ah, I went too soon, that's why. Look, I got a little too excited. It's been over 2 years since I held a fly rod.
I would say right over here to your left. A little bit more left. A little bit more left. Jump. Little strip. Rock tip in the water. Hold on. Hold on. Hold it right there. Little strip. 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 Okay, let him go, let him go, let him go. Oh, got you on the handle. Dang. Oh, that was in heat though, man. Oh, awesome, dude. Okay. So that was one I forgot about.
Oh man, I can't believe I hit it on the handle.
Okay, so when you're doing that, I guess you'd be left-handed. So as you're clearing, just get like this. You're holding this line. So this is your stripping hand, right? So you're stripping, you're stripping, you're stripping. Boom. You feel tension. Get this thing out here as far away as you can. And just and that line will come through, and just let it go all the way through, and then you'll be no problem. Hey, we got a hook set.
I'm sure we'll get more opportunities.
Yeah, oh, dude, we'll have plenty of opportunities. But
actually, he broke it off.
Oh yeah, that's 10-pound, dude.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, there goes a fly.
Yep. That's all right.
Oh man.
Oh,
hey, you know what? I got proof that I hooked up already. Got on video.
That was awesome.
Hooked up with my first bonefish, and now they're 2 miles away now. Oh, they're close. He doesn't know what happened. Dude, that's bad ass. Dude, I can't believe it. I can't believe they fished all day and got no. Maybe it wasn't as good yesterday. See, he just took it, man. Jenna was like, I'm not gonna catch anything. I'm like, she's not a great caster. I'm like, all you have to do is you can get it in front of him.
Yeah.
She's not a great caster though.
Make it somewhat happy. I mean, there's definitely days where like I've had.
It's brutal.
Just